I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create Integration. Search and select a Trigger CoBlocks form. Now, click on the Fetch button, then navigate to the CoBlocks form and fill it out to retrieve the data. After fetching the form, you need a unique key to define it. However, the CoBlock form doesn't provide the unique key. That's why I added a hidden field and gave its value as a unique key. Now fill out the form. Return to the integration site to view the successfully fetched data. Now check all the fields under the object. Then choose the hidden field as a unique key. Set action. Search and select affiliate. Connect with the plugin. Plugin connected successfully. Next. Choose an action. Map the respective fields. Actions and conditional logic have advanced features. You can use them as per your requirements. You can add referral status and referral type under the action section. To complete this integration, you must log in to your WordPress account. Next. Finish and save it. Please fill in the necessary information on your form using the variable data. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Go to your affiliate dashboard. Then navigate to the referrals. You can confirm that the data has been received successfully in the referrals section. Thanks for watching.